Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Gemini's institutional solutions. Let's get straight into the video. First up, a couple of these Gemini institutional solutions include first, Gemini Custody, and that's an institutional grade cryptocurrency solution, custody solution for securing and managing digital assets. You also have Gemini Clearing, and that's post-trade infrastructure for institutional investors to clear and settle cryptocurrency trades. And then there's also Gemini Trading, and that's an institutional trading platform for executing cryptocurrency trades. Now, for getting started on this, first you want to do is to reach out to Gemini's institutional team to discuss your specific needs and requirements. And you're going to need to provide necessary documentations and information to complete the boarding process. You're also going to need to configure your institutional accounts, including setting up users, permissions, and API access. Now, for using Gemini Custody, you can always deposit cryptocurrencies into your Gemini Custody accounts, and you can use the Gemini Custody platform to manage your digital assets, including viewing balance and transaction history. You can also withdraw cryptocurrencies from your Gemini Custody accounts. Now, for Gemini Clearing, you can execute cryptocurrency trades through Gemini's institutional trading platform. You could use Gemini Clearing to clear and settle trades, therefore reducing counterparty risk. Now, you could always also settle trades through Gemini Clearing, ensuring efficient and secure transaction processing. Now, for a Gemini Trading, you could easily access Gemini's institutional trading platform to execute cryptocurrency trades. You could also execute trades using Gemini Trading platform, which offers advanced features and, of course, tools. You could also monitor trade execution and performance using Gemini's trading platform. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Gemini's institutional solutions. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.